9 timeless money lessons from the richest man in Babylon. Have you ever felt like your money vanishes as soon as you earn it, or wondered how to escape the endless paycheck-to-paycheck grind? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into 9 timeless money lessons from the book, The Richest Man in Babylon, that can change how you manage, grow, and protect your wealth. Whether you're looking to save more, spend smarter, or invest wisely, these principles have stood the test of time for a reason. Stay with me until the end, because we'll not only unpack these lessons, but also share practical examples you can implement right away to level up your financial game. I would be breaking the book down into 3 parts. Ready? Let's get started. Part 1. Spending money. Lesson 1. Start thy purse to fattening. A part of all you earn is yours to keep. This is the foundational lesson of the book. Many of us are guilty of treating our income like it's meant to go straight to everyone else. The rent gets paid, bills get settled, groceries are bought, and we're left with little or nothing at the end of the month. Sound familiar? What happens in the process is that we spend our money on all these necessary things, and we forget to save anything for ourselves. The solution? Pay yourself first. How to apply it? Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account. Start small, 5% of your income. Gradually increase it to 10%, then 15%, and so on. For example, if you earn $3,000 per month, set aside $150 initially. Over time, you'll notice your savings grow without feeling the pinch. This simple shift ensures you're prioritizing your future self over immediate wants. Lesson 2. Control thy expenditures. Our necessary expenses will always grow to equal our income unless we protest to the contrary. As your income grows, you might start noticing that your expenses tend to grow as well. This is known as lifestyle creep, when your spending increases along with your income, often without you even realizing it. It's easy to fall into this trap, especially when you start earning more money. How to apply it? Categorize your expenses into needs and wants. For instance, do you need a daily $5 coffee, or could you brew your own? Could you swap frequent Uber rides for walking or public transport? Create a budget and stick to it. Apps like YNAB, You Need a Budget, or Mint can help you track spending. By staying intentional, you'll avoid falling into the trap of overspending. Lesson 3. Enjoy life. While you can, life is good and rich with things to enjoy. While saving is crucial, the richest man in Babylon also emphasizes the importance of enjoying life's pleasures. The goal of saving isn't just to accumulate wealth for the sake of it. It's about using your money to create a richer, more fulfilling life. Think about it. What's the point of working hard, earning money and saving if you don't enjoy the fruits of your labor along the way? Saving is a means to an end, not the end itself. How to apply it? Allocate a fun fund in your budget. For instance, if you save 20% of your income, reserve 5% for activities that bring you joy, like dining out, traveling, or hobbies. Example: if your monthly income is $3,000, set aside $150 for guilt-free enjoyment. By balancing saving with intentional spending, you'll avoid burnout and create meaningful experiences. Part 2. Making money. Lesson 4. Make thy gold multiply. Gold in a purse is gratifying, but it does not multiply. Think of it like planting seeds. If you save money, it's like putting seeds in a pot, but they won't grow unless you give them the right environment. Investing is what nourishes those seeds, allowing them to grow into something much bigger. For example, when you invest in stocks, bonds, real estate, or other opportunities, you're giving your money the chance to increase in value. Over time, these investments can compound, meaning you earn money not just on your initial investment, but also on the profits your money has generated. How to apply it? Open a brokerage account and invest in index funds like the S&P 500, which has historically averaged a 10% annual return. Example: if you save $1,000 per year, and invest it, compounded growth could turn it into $16,000 after 10 years. Letting your money grow through investing is the key to financial freedom. Lesson 5. Ensure a future income. Provide in advance for the needs of thy growing age. Imagine a camel trader who lives a life of luxury, enjoying every moment, but saves nothing for his later years. As he grows older, he finds himself without an income or security. Don't let this be your reality. It's important to think ahead and set aside savings for the future so you aren't left without support when the time comes. How to apply it? Contribute to a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. Take advantage of employer matches if offered. Example: investing $200 a month starting at age 25 can grow to over $1 million by age 65, assuming a 7% return. Planning for the future ensures you won't be caught off guard later in life. Lesson 6. Increase thy ability to earn. Our abilities are not fixed, they can grow. We often limit ourselves by thinking that our current income is all we can earn. But in reality, there's always potential to make more. Whether it's through improving your skills, seeking out new opportunities, starting a side hustle, or investing in your personal development, there are countless ways to increase your earnings. How to apply it? Invest in yourself by learning new skills. Online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or LinkedIn Learning offer affordable courses. For instance, if you're earning $50,000 a year, gaining certifications in your field could boost your salary to $70,000 or more. Start a side hustle. Examples include freelance writing, tutoring, or selling on Etsy. Even an extra $500 a month can make a huge difference. By continually growing your skills and exploring new opportunities, you'll break past income ceilings. Part 3. Protecting money. Lesson 7. Guard thy treasures from loss. Invest only where thy principal is safe. Risk is an inherent part of investing. Without it, there would be no potential for growth or returns. Whether you're investing in stocks, real estate, or any other venture, there's always some level of risk involved. However, it's important to differentiate between calculated risks and reckless decisions. Diversify your investments. Don't put all your money into one stock or asset class. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes or investments you don't fully understand. Research thoroughly. Protecting your money ensures long-term financial stability. Lesson 8. Seek the counsel of wise men. Listen to those who have already walked the path. Trends can be flashy and appealing, especially when everyone seems to be jumping on the bandwagon. Whether it's a hot stock, a new cryptocurrency, or the latest investment craze, it's tempting to get involved without fully understanding the risks or potential outcomes. Friends might offer advice based on what they've heard or read, but often they lack the experience or deep knowledge needed to provide sound financial guidance. Experienced experts, whether it's a seasoned financial advisor, an investment professional, or someone with a proven track record, have the knowledge and insight to help guide you toward decisions that are aligned with your long-term goals, not just the latest fad. How to apply it? Consult financial advisors or mentors who understand your goals and have a track record of success. Read books and follow trusted experts in personal finance. Examples include The Simple Path to Wealth by J.L. Collins or I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi. By learning from those who've succeeded, you'll avoid costly mistakes. Lesson 9. Cultivate good luck through action. The men of action are favored by the goddess of good luck. What many of us refer to as luck is often the result of preparation meeting opportunity. It's easy to believe that some people are just lucky or that success is a matter of chance. But the truth is that luck tends to favor those who are ready and willing to take action when the right opportunities arise. Think about it. Opportunity doesn't always knock loudly or at convenient times, but those who have been preparing themselves, honing their skills, and staying alert to possibilities are the ones who are in the right place at the right time. How to apply it? Take calculated risks. Apply for that promotion, start that side hustle, or invest in that course. Example: imagine you spot a new job opening but feel underqualified. Instead of hesitating, apply anyway and highlight your unique skills. These 9 lessons from the richest man in Babylon aren't just theories. They're actionable steps you can take today to transform your finances. Which of these lessons resonated most with you? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Remember, building wealth is a journey, and it starts with taking that first step. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.